Today we will learn about autocatalytic systems, the Lotka chemical autocatalytics, Bruce-Slater, the Prigogine, Lefevre, Nicolins model. Here are some structures and the reaction given under this reaction. The structures and selections are given here. And if we talk about the thermodynamics of phase transitions, then the imbalance of static order form disorder under thermodynamic in equilibrium conditions occur through a phase transition, and in the transition region the system is unstable, as we are showing here in the energy state functions. Gives a free energy, enthalpy, entropy, spontaneous whether it would be non-spontaneous, the heat exothermic whether it would be the endothermic variability. The thermodynamic state variables are shown also here. If we talk about the initial formula of Gibbs and free energy, enthalpy minus entropy, which gives the first state entropy and volume undergo a breakdown. In a second order phase transition, the state of the system is continuously altered by symmetry is changed in a discontinuous manner. Here the symmetry is changed of the ice into water, and here it is shown here. The temperature where it is lower than 0 and more than 100 degrees Celsius. This is a classical example of second order phase transition, and in this case not the basic thermodynamic quantities but their derivatives are broken: heat capacity, compressibility, and the thermal expansion coefficient. An example in the is the transition ferromagnetic or at the Curie point, which we will shown afterward. And disorderness of the state continues when it starts with the uh, point, and the pressure is changed. The functional dependence of the chemical potential on temperature, as we have already seen. Transition involving the appearance of space and or time order far from equilibrium also occurs discontinuously. Here it is discontinuously occurs with the heat melting with the temperature and the entropy of solid, whether gives energy at phase equilibrium is 0. This is an example of second phase transition. As we have already seen, transition involving the appearance of shape. Here the shape is changed and a final formula comes, and where the third order phase transition example comes here. Here here in this autocatalytic systems are also seen. Autocatalytic graphs as are shown in initially graph, the oscillation of the oscillators graph initially in initial seconds of the video, and here the final involvements are given. So here whether it would be the G spontaneous or H spontaneous, the final readings are given here, and enthalpy and entropy changes are shown in the changes, and all the and finally the problem of the stability towards diffusion was first studied by Turing, and it's remarkable paper given here with the Gibbs energy flow, where the heat minus temperature with the state of enthalpy is given. If we are increasing the temperature, then the state changes from solid to water, which is an basic example of classical example of second thermodynamic law. So thank you.